In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chroma key Affinity Photo. Chroma keying is the process of removing a solid colored background, typically green, so your subject can sit cleanly on any backdrop. We'll keep this simple, clear, and non-destructive so you can fine-tune as you go. First, open Affinity Photo and load the image that has the green background. Make sure it's visible on the canvas and that the layer is selected in the Layers panel so your tools affect the right image. Next, move into the pixel persona at the top of the interface. This switches your tool set to the pixel editing tools. Choose the Flood Select tool, which looks like a magic wand. In the context toolbar, you'll see helpful controls like tolerance, which determines how broadly the tool selects similar colors. A higher tolerance grabs more shades of green, a lower tolerance stays tight. Contiguous limits the selection to connected areas, while sample all layers is useful if you're referencing multiple layers. Now click directly on the green area in your photo. You'll see the marching ants indicating what's selected. If you're missing patches of green, increase the tolerance slightly and click again. If you're grabbing parts of your subject, reduce it. You can add to the selection with another click on remaining green areas, and subtract by adjusting tolerance and clicking on any over-selected regions. Zoom in along edges like hair or fine details and aim for a clean outline without cutting into your subject. When you're happy with the selection, click the Mask button in the Layers panel to convert that selection into a non-destructive mask. This hides the selected green and reveals your subject on transparency. If the mask keeps the background instead of the subject, simply invert the mask so the subject is visible and the green is hidden. From here, you can refine visually. Paint on the mask with a soft brush, black conceals, white reveals, to tidy edges and make subtle adjustments if you notice halos. That's it. You've chroma keyed the image in Affinity Photo, leaving you with a clean subject ready to place onto any background you choose.